So this formula that we're going to start with is used in arithmetic. So again, what's the arithmetic one? What are you adding? What are you adding? Okay, Tn represents which term you're going to find. T1 represents the first term. N is the term number. And D is the adder, whatever you're adding. Okay, here we go. Find the 21st term. So figure out term 21. Figure out term 21. First term, which is 5 plus n minus 1. So what is our n? How many terms are we trying to go to? 21 terms. Times the adder. So what is the pattern doing? What's happening each time in this one? 3. Okay. Please understand how to type this into your calculator. You would need brackets on that or do that. So like for me, this is 20. I would have to bed mass times before you add. When you are typing it into your calculator, show me that you can type it in properly and you should be getting 65. So see if you can type that in. Does your answer make sense? In this unit, you should be asking that if I went up, 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 would I eventually get to the 65? Good? Am I matching? Okay, next one. Find the 7th term. So term 7 equals term 1. 9 plus the number of terms 7 subtract 1 times the pattern difference. So what's the pattern going to do? What's the difference in the pattern? Did you write a -6? Can you type that in and see if we match? Does your answer make sense? If your pattern continually went down 6, down 6, down 6, do you think you would hit that about in that position? Makes sense. Okay, just a side note. If somebody wrote me this formula on the test, which somebody in here is going to, and it's inevitable, I'm going to mark you a deduction. Why is this a deduction?
You're not multiplying it by...
It looks like you're doing what instead?
Just subtracting.
It looks like you're subtracting versus what is this person doing? It looks like they're multiplying, okay? So if somebody wrote me that, I'm going to deduct them. They probably are doing the timesing in their calculator, but they're writing their math wrong. Okay. Last one, here we go. Term 8 equals the first term plus the number of terms, so 8 minus 1, times the pattern difference. So I'm going to go to the side and figure it out. Do you remember how to do it? A term subtract a previous, because it's arithmetic. Moses, you're picking apparently. Pick which one we're doing.
-1.
-1? minus, hold on here, minus the negative 7/4. So I'm minusing a negative, right? Are you okay if I put a plus in there now? Because I'm minusing a negative number. Can you change the look of 1 to match the denominator? What would you write instead of the 1 part? Should we change it to a 4/4? So that makes 3/4. Okay, I'm not touching my calculator once. We're going to practice this. Good practice for grade 12 when you lose your calculator on the provincial exam. Okay, are you okay if I just tell myself that that's 7 in the bracket there? What is 7 times 3? 21. Look at this. We can do it without a calculator. What is negative 7 plus 21, or what's 21 minus 7? 14. 14/4. Anybody want to reduce that? Or 7/2. So if we kept doing this and going up 3/4, up 3/4, up 3/4, we would get to that value.